Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling green hills and a sparkling blue river, lived two brothers named Leo and Sam. Leo, the older brother, was strong and brave, always eager for adventure. Sam, the younger one, was kind and clever, with a heart full of dreams. Though they loved each other dearly, they often argued. Leo wanted to explore the world, while Sam was content reading books and tending to their little garden. One evening, as they sat by the fireplace, their grandmother told them an old legend. Deep in the heart of the Enchanted Forest, there stands a tree unlike any other, the wishing tree. It is said that if two pure-hearted souls make a wish together, the tree will grant it. But beware, for selfish desires bring no fruit. A magic tree? We must find it. The Enchanted Forest is dangerous. What if we get lost? Don't worry, we'll stick together. The next morning, the brothers packed a small bag with bread, cheese, and a flask of water. Their grandmother gave them a silver locket. This will guide you. When you are truly united, it will glow. With that, they set off toward the misty forest. The trees loomed tall, their branches twisting like ancient hands. Strange sounds echoed around them, chirping crickets, rustling leaves, and the distant howl of a wolf. Sam said, "Leo, maybe we should turn back." And Leo replied, "Where's your sense of adventure?" Just then, a thorny vine shot out, wrapping around Sam's ankle. Sam called out, "Leo, help!" And Leo responded, "See, we make a great team." As they ventured deeper, they reached a rushing river. The bridge was broken and the water roared angrily below. Sam wondered aloud, "How will we cross?" And Leo answered, "We can balance across." But the log was slippery and, halfway through, Sam lost his footing. Leo grabbed his hand just in time, pulling him to safety. "Thanks, brother," Sam said. "The locket glows brighter." Next, they found a dark cave. A chilling voice echoed, "Only those who listen to each other may pass." "Wait!" The voice said we must listen. "Step where the other steps," Sam suggested. "Leo, we must walk in each other's footsteps," he added thoughtfully. Side by side, they matched their steps perfectly, and the cave lit up, leading them out. The locket now shone like a tiny star. At last, they reached a clearing where a magnificent tree stood, its golden leaves shimmering in the sunlight. "We found it!" "State your wish, but remember, it must be made together." Leo immediately thought, "I wish for a chest of gold so I can travel the world." Sam closed his eyes. "I wish for a library full of books so I can learn everything." But nothing happened. Selfish wishes divide. Only a shared wish will be granted. "Leo, what if we wished for something that helps both of us? What if we wished for a grand adventure and knowledge? Yes, a flying ship. You could sail the skies and I could study the stars." "We wish for a flying ship that will take us on adventures and let us learn about the world." The tree's branches shook and a magnificent ship descended from the sky, its sails glowing with magic. Remember, sharing and cooperation bring greater joy than any selfish desire. From that day on, Leo and Sam sailed the skies together. Leo discovering new lands, Sam charting the stars, and whenever they disagreed, they remembered the lesson of the wishing tree, that true happiness comes from sharing and working together. Now kids, what do you learn from this story? When we cooperate and think of others, we achieve far greater things than we ever could alone.
Didn't like our adventure? You didn't like and subscribe. Kids, now it's time to learn some words along with the story. Repeat with us. Sparkling. Sparkling. Vine. Vine.